Hello everyone, this is BMC video about zenflow. Customer segment patients suffering from BBH seeking effective long-term symptoms relief with minimal side effect. Urological and healthcare provide who adopt and recommend advanced BBH treatment. Hospitals and clinics looking expand treatment option for urinary obstruction and symptoms. Regulate and pair cervical and approval recurrence supports. Value proposition minimal invasive therapy. They avoids cutting, burning, and tissue removal. Fat recovery. Most patients recover within hours, not week. Preserve natural anatomy with a reversible approach. Clinical background with long-term symptoms relief and improved quality of life. Channels direct sales to healthcare facilities through a specialized medical sales force. Partnership with the medical distributors and device supplies. Medical conference and urological meeting to educate physicians. Digital presence and clinical publication to communicate clinical benefits and outcomes. Customer relationship, clinical and training support to for physician and adopting the spring system. Patient education materials and physician referrals to support post-produce procedures, follow up protocols, viva and care team ensuring outcome and satisfaction. Regulatory support and remunerant guidance for hospitals and insurance. Revenue stream sales and zenflow spring system implant and delivery device to the hospital clinics. Procedure and specific service contract and training fees for urological team. Revenue and payment through the insurance health system. Strategic investment and licensing deals. Partnership capital like Cook and medical investment. Key resource proprietary technology, spring implement and delivery system, clinical trial and regulatory expiry for FDA approval, medical device engineering and RDA team, board advisory and clinical leaders, manufacturing capabilities and supply chain partnership and compliant with medical regulation. Key activities research and development for device improvement and expanded indicators, clinical trials and regulatory approval process, sales, marketing, and physician education to drive up the adoption, quality assurance, and post market surveillance to ensure the safety effectiveness. Key partnership Cook Medical's strategic investigator and commercialization partners, urologists and clinical trial centers conducting studies and gathering the evidence. Regulatory consultants for FDA and global approvals, medical device manufacturers and supply chain disorders. Cost structure R&D, clinical trial expansion including multi-center studies, regulatory and compliance cost for approval and market entry, sales and marketing cost for physician training and adoption, manufacturing and distribution cost of device and logistics.